If you're facing an unplanned pregnancy, you may be feeling very overwhelmed and confused about what your next steps may be. Looking into your options, including adoption, could put some control back into what seems like a very uncontrollable situation. You may be wondering what an adoption plan is, and it's really what it sounds like. It's making decisions that put you in charge of the adoption process. Some things included in an adoption plan are selecting the adoptive family and getting to know them, deciding what type of contact you want after the adoption, making your hospital plan and figuring out how you want that time to go, figuring out who your support persons are, whether it's just your adoption counselor or friends and family, talking with a counselor or your own attorney to make sure you feel confident in your adoption plan. No two adoption plans are the same, and it'll be specific to how you want that process to go. You can begin an adoption plan by calling an agency or a law firm like ours to get the next steps underway. Our law firm has social workers that will walk with you each step of the way, and you can make changes to your adoption plan as it goes along, just to make sure you feel like it's the right decision for you. So if you are interested in learning more information about beginning an adoption plan and putting some control back into your life during this time, call our office today.